How much trouble are they in?
Well, they're facing a 39-count federal indictment charging them with bankruptcy fraud, failure to file income taxes, and bank fraud. Those are all serious charges.
Do they seem like they want to make a deal with you guys?
We never discuss whether we're talking to people about deals or not.
What are they exposed to?
Their maximum penalties are in the hundreds of years, but realistically, as you all know, they'll be sentenced according to the advisory sentencing guidelines, and I can't make a prediction at this point.
It seems like you have quite an extensive paper trail.
The investigation went on for a pretty long time, and we're confident that we have enough evidence to convict the defendants beyond a reasonable doubt.
Can you comment on being deported?
Under federal law, if someone is not a citizen of the United States and is convicted of what's called an aggravated felony, they're subject to deportation. And as Assistant United States Attorney John Romanko pointed out to the court this morning, Giuseppe Giudice is not a citizen of the United States. He's a citizen of Italy, and in the event of his conviction, is facing possible deportation to Italy.
Do you worry about the show and footage from the show being used against them, their lavish lifestyle being shown on the show?
In a criminal case, and I've been doing this for many years, I worry about everything. We try to prevent any prejudice from seeping in, but all I can tell you is Henry Klingerman is an excellent lawyer. We have a good team, and we'll do the best we can to avoid any prejudice and so that they can get what they're entitled to, and that is a fair trial with unbiased jurors.
The bail is $500,000 total with unrestricted travel? Is that
No, the travel...
Bankruptcy, did you advise them to tone it down on TV?
I wasn't involved with them until just very recently, so you'd have to talk to their bankruptcy lawyer.
What was their reaction when you called them?
When so much of this does play out on camera, how does that complicate her defense because she is so busy?
Well, when she comes to court, unlike most defendants, not only the judge but the jury will already know who she is before she shows up. They will have seen her on television and in the media. And it's important for anybody who judges her to look at her in a positive light based on the good things that she's done. So we're hoping that people who've watched the show will continue to support her during this ordeal.
Worst case scenario, will you appeal any decision?
We're going to have nothing to appeal in my hope and expectation.
Sir, one more time for the camera, give us your name.
Sorry?
Your name one more time for the camera, please.
Henry Klingerman.
Spell last name?
Klingeman.
This is a 39-count indictment, and there's
and
such
this is Ernesto Cerimele. Cerimele.
This is a 39-count indictment, and there's a huge paper trail. Might you guys cop a plea?
I haven't seen the paper trail, so I wouldn't want to speculate as to the strategy yet. The government's been investigating this for some period of time, and it's only in the next couple of weeks will they begin to share with us the actual documents and other evidence that they allege they have.
How emotional was Teresa when she found out about this news yesterday?
She was calm, cool, and collected. She's been through a lot, as everybody who watches the show knows, a lot of challenges, both personal and professional, and she deals with them in due course, and she'll deal with this one.
You know, one reason why she's so popular, as you mentioned, she's calm, cool, and collected in the face of fire. What do you think is the source of all of that strength?
Oh, obviously, her daughters, her husband, her extended family, her faith, her belief in herself, her confidence.